So many people have told you about agentic AIs, that they are using agent on their AIs, and you are thinking, how could you get into that? Agent. Number one, I'll tell you your fears. Number one, you think you are not techie. You are not an IT person. Number two, you are thinking of the cost of an AI agent. I'm here to show you the secrets people don't want you to know. Yeah, so videos like this might not go viral for this because I'm telling you the truth. But this video will go viral because one person will tell another person and people will start sharing it and tell themselves that all these things they make big to you, it's not really that way. Today, I'm going to show you how you are going to have your own agentic AI. That is your agent that will be doing your work for you, where you'll have your folder and the thing will be running it for you the way you want it without giving too much instruction. That is what I want to show you today. And it is in two series. The series one now is for ChatGPT. The next series I'll do for Claude because I want this video to be very short. I want it very short. I wish I would close this under 5 minutes. Okay. Now on my screen, we're already in my ChatGPT. This is a secret. And I'm going to show you what I have right here in my playbook, on my work panel, on my dashboard. I'm not hiding anything. This is my direct dashboard where I work on ChatGPT. I don't show too many people. Okay. Now, if you look at it, you see that this is a folder. The first thing you will do for yourself to have a agent working for you that you are not paying for on the free version is to get yourself a folder. And how do you get a folder? This is a new chat, this is a new image, this is all of this. But there's a way you get yourself a project folder. This is project. You just click on plus. When you click on plus, whatever you want to do, let me say my $1 million ideas for 2026. This is your first step. Then create project. Once you create project, you are ready to take on the world. Now the project folder is created. My 1 million ideas for 2026. Now, do you know how it works? Let me show you this folder. This is a secret folder, but I'll show you what is inside. YouTube AI channel. This is my project folder. So let's open it so that you can see what I'm talking about. Okay. It's not opening. It wants me to click one of them. So those are the subfolders. These are the things I have inside of it. You'll see all of them now. Now let me click this place so that we can see everything inside that folder. I want you to see exactly. This is what I wanted you to see. Now, this is the YouTube AI channel. Manly. Thumbnail concept idea. Nigerian 3D drama ideas. This is for my faceless channel. Thumbnail analysis score. This is the place that scores my thumbnail and tell me if the thumbnail is good or not. It rates it at 70%, 50%, 60%. So I have all of that. I have more down here. I want to show you something very spectacular about these things. Let me click. Now that I've clicked, you can have your agent everywhere. I just got a back door into it and it is very legal. It is not illegal to have your agent without paying. Now, let me show you something. This is where I work. I do a lot of experiment. I do so many things here. And, you know, when I'm doing all this, where I do all the thumbnails you are seeing, you would have known that this is where I'm doing all my thumbnails. Let me come up here. This is not even when I started. But I told the thumbnail concept I want is my face was orange yellow. I gave it all of this to do. And I gave it the picture to do it and see what it did for me. Now, when it did it for me, I said, can we add free somewhere on this place? Then it added free. And I gave it another one. I said the text. You see, there's no prompting anymore. The guy knows exactly what I came for. I just tell it, do this. It just does it. See? It just does it. And I come, I say, do this. It just does it. Do you understand? I just come, I say, do this. I said, this is so good. High resolution, all of that. See? Now, I said, I just gave it text, drama, white with, I just say all of that. See, no prompt. Because it's already my agent. I've told it what I'm doing and I've worked with it for a while. So it knows already that this is what I'm doing here. And exactly what I'm doing here is what it will be working with me on. So I'll just be sending little information to it. In fact, I was so intentional. In most cases, I just send some few things to it and I just tell it, see, I gave it something here, what I want the thing to look like. And I just said, replace the picture with this. And the guy replaced it. And I said he should do one more. This one I had to explain because it's new. But most of you see, just remove small, see, make background light and green. I just edit it. I just say what I want to say. And the thing just do it for me. See, as much as this is, because I have to explain all this background, is why you see this tool. If not, I just talk to it. I say, super, stopped. I say, super, we just talk like that and see what it's doing for me. See, just my hair, make it look neater and shiner. That's all. No serious, I have to write one prompt, 120 prompt. This one, we're explaining some things to ourselves. That's what we are doing here. So I'm trying to revitalize the brain of ChatGPT. I want it to store some things to do for me. That's what we are doing here. Now, if you check, all of the other things I'm doing, they are just basically create a new thumbnail. Make my hair darker and more color. I just say create a new thumbnail. I didn't say anything else. But because I've been using this, remove the orange and put this. Because I've been doing this for a while, it's just doing it. Make the face clearer. Don't tamper with the images. White and change the words. I just wanted to change the words in this thing. Automate white, this one, everything. And indeed, this is it. The thing is not loading. Okay, it's loading now. I hope it will show before I school because I don't want this video to take very long at all. So all the edits I did, all the things I did, I'll just tell it, do this, see, orange color, write this. The thing is just doing it because it already knows how we are working. See, it's a white t-shirt. See, I wore black. I told it to change it to white. So it's an agent. An agent is an AI you have trained to do your work and is doing it for you automatically. Of course, agents have grades. There are some agents that while you're sleeping, you tell them to do things and they are running it and you tell them to post it at a particular time. And those ones are higher agents. It's not easy to get those ones for free. But these ones that can work with you, that already knows what you want. Now, this guy knows I love white and orange. If you see what it produced here. Just say, black t-shirts, do this. See, top 5 producers. Yeah, it just does what I say. Straight, see. White, move, red. Audience, I just give it a picture. See what it did. It's just doing it because we already know what we are doing. But if it is you and you are not using your folder, you just come here and press, where is it? New chat. You just come here, you click new chat. Once you click new chat and you are talking to it, you see, where should we begin? It's starting with you all over again. This is good for some few basic things you want to ask, like random questions. For projects, when you are doing your project, you go back to your folder and you put those folders. See, I call this pivot, pitch deck elements, the World Bank, United, the things, the project I'm doing. So I don't have to be looking for it. Everything is set. It's in a place. See, if I click this pitch deck element now, once I click it, it's going to show me exactly what I'm doing. I just continue. I just type in and I continue. Do you understand? I just continue. I don't have any reason to start all over again because the thing knows exactly where you stopped. It's the same for Claude. And I'll show us that one for Claude too. I am stopping this video right now. I know this video has helped you. I don't need to ask. I know this has helped you. Share it with someone. Click like so that YouTube will project the video the more, and subscribe so that when I drop the one for Claude, you'll be here to see it. So we'll see it the next time. Keep building. I tell you, keep building. And if you want to learn much more about this, I have a course I've prepared for all of this. Check it in the description below. Thank you. We'll see you on the next one.